Hey, what's up, Shingo, yo rat? Yo, Shingo!
Let's see yours now. They'll turn that time for sure. Oh, that hurt. It's like I'm playing against PJ Ladd. I wish I could have seen that. Maybe I have a chance. Did it look like it hurt? You're making it tough for me. Is that funny? You're making it tough for me. I'm okay, that didn't even hurt. There's no way I'm gonna win this one. Piece of cake. That was sick. Did that look good? It's like I'm playing against PJ Ladd. Pretty simple. Wow! I think I'm okay. Wow! When you least expect it. How long you been skating? You killed me.
Talk to you later. Yo, I don't even have a body.
T-minus 2, 1, liftoff.
You okay to still play? Hurry up!
that was dumb. What?
Hey dude, I'm Seb. I shoot for the... Nice, that's a keeper.
Yo, it's your photo. Pick one. If you ain't feeling it, you could always do the challenge again. Yo, I'm pretty sure that Seb hooked those photos up nice. But, you should also get busy filming, man. You don't got it on footy, basically, that just didn't happen. Once you get enough footy, then you can get sponsored. Once you get sponsored, then you can get paid. The hell you think I'm doing here? Yo, let's go film. Yo, I got it. Check it out. That's the way to do it.
Hey, it's Shingo. I'm gonna go check out the best trick contest. You should enter. Yeah, I told my mom I'm gonna go to the library and study. She believed me. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll see you there. Bye.
Hey there, my name's Cuz. All right, round. Are you ready? It's go time. Do this. Second, Gio Shields in first place.
No way! If I don't land, I get so mad.
All right, we got a wild card now. That's what I'm talking about.
That one is easy.
My hunger consumes me. Give me food. Ow. If we had paramedics, I'd be calling them because, man, you need it now. Ow. Hiya. Come on, simulated crowd, give it up. Woo. Dude, where you going? Back over here. Oh, I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. Literally mind lost. You can't contain me in no contest. Ooh, I'm going out of bounds. Oh, I am never that trick. Time is over. Alrighty, what do we got here? Oh. Go! Slow down! Now, go! Faster! We got a new leader, his name's Fabio. Oh, that's smooth! What the capital V? Oh, dude, you got something that can drive you home? I hope so. Oh!
That was ridiculous. That was ridiculous.
Not bionic.
You see that?
Dude, people are giving you look for your autograph after that one.
No, over this.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure copyrighted that back in the day.
I got to start skating.
Oh, that was ambitious. Ouch. Oh, like what I'm seeing. Yeah. Time's running out. We're gonna have to see some big tricks. Hey, where are you going?
You see that? lucky.
And we're done. Next round, show me the tech. Okay, we're gonna need another round to figure out what's going on here. Okay, here. Yeah, let's get it started. Buttery skills, he's in first. Give it up for him. Killing it. Now, what are you thinking? Dude, check yourself. I am impressed. I'm impressed. Sincerely impressed.
Okay, that didn't even hurt.
Getting thirsty. Let's do something here. Oh, death, gore, dismemberment.
Oh, the goal.
Who's that guy? Too bad we're not giving out money for bails because you'd be in first. Sick. Hey, the judges ain't looking over there. I won't be nice unless you give me food, so give me food, please, please, please. I'm so hungry. Just want to get your last tricks in. Amazing to the judges. That's what they like. I don't want to speak for the judges, but I'm sure they approve. Oh, it looks like everybody's a winner today. That's woo. Thank you for putting on a show, because that's time. Hey, check it out, check it out. That's it. Contest is over. Take a look at our new winner.
See? You deserve to be here.
Hey, it's Shingo. I got on my hands the new skateboard mag, and there's this photo of this guy who was at the best trick contest. You should go to the shop and check it out. It's pretty rad. Check it out. Gotta go.
Yo, let's go hit Reg. We can either take a nice fun skate down there, or we can hit the subway. It's your choice, dude.
Hey there, this is Cuz again, and welcome to...
There's a lot you can do in such a tight space. I want to see somebody up riding up. On your mark, get set, on delay! Hey Fabio, was that a Fandango? You're in first
If I don't land that, he's so mad. Brad, Scotty. Come on, let's finish the game.
Oh,
I can't believe you tried to stick that. That hurt.
Dude, how many times in one game do you want to get major reconstructive surgery? Oh, show him some serious skills. Where'd that one come from? Oh, somebody came to play.
Okay, I've had worse.
Seen that one. Ow. Persistence pays off. Get up, try again.
That one's easy.
Now that's an interesting dilemma.
I thought you died.
Support your local country. Body bags, death, nar nar. Oh, I can't believe you landed that.
If I fall that hard, shoot.
Hello, the judges are missing you. Come back, please come back.
So over this.
Yeah, now we're talking. Hey, you get out of my cooler. What the hell?
Yo, you rocked in that sesh.
Hey, it's Joe. I want to put you on the team. You down for it? It's gonna mean a full part in new shot vid, so you better start filming. Like, now. Alright, see ya.
You wanna come up? We gotta film. Yo, that one was money.
So I finally got a chance to see all this amazing...
Hey, it's Mike. I'm gonna go and shoot some photos today down at that spot, just for fun or whatever. You should come down.
Yo, there's a lot of doors opening up for you right now. You got a really sick hookup at the mag with Seb. But you know what? I'm not even sure who my man Mike shoots for. We should go check him out. Yo, your money, kid. That one ripped. Nice. And go. Peep it. Yo, that is precision. Yo, that one is a keeper.